Alright, so today we're going to unbox this Espelir Super Downsus rubber, and this was purchased from rhdjapan.com. And if you're interested in buying any aftermarket or OEM parts or wheels for your JDM vehicle, please visit rhdjapan.com, link in the description below. And these Espelir Super Downsus rubbers are for a Suzuki Carry DA63T, and we are going to open it up. Now, the box or the package did rip a bit, so we'll just open it up from the side. And what these are the rubber bump stops for the back or front suspension, in this case for the back suspension. And what it does is it allows you to have more travel room with a lowered suspension. Taped quite well. You can smell the rubber, it's actually quite strong. And here we have it. So this is the first bump stop, made of metal, and then it has the actual rubber bump stop itself. So this is going to be a bit shorter than your OEM bump stop, so then it's going to allow your suspension to travel more if you have a lowered suspension. Feels kind of oily, greasy. That's probably from manufacturing. So there's the first one, and here's the second one. Completely identical, left and right hand side, doesn't matter. And there you have it. So that is the Espelir Super Downsus rubber bump stop, and this is for a Suzuki Carry DA63T. And once again, this was purchased from RHD Japan. If you're interested in purchasing any aftermarket or OEM part or wheels for your Japanese vehicle, please visit rhdjapan.com. Link in the description below. And I'll probably eventually be installing this on my Suzuki Carry, and I'll probably shoot a video. But if you are interested in seeing that, let me know.